dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
The embattled former Minister of Aviation, Hadi Sorika, has spent his second night in the custody of the EFCC over an ongoing 8 billion money laundering probe. Alright my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back update as it dey hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our news so that now you go be the first to watch my people. No be small matter they happen for this country. My people, the matter what carry Konya no na be stay. The embattled former Minister of Aviation, Hadi Sorika, has spent his second night in the custody of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission over an ongoing 8 billion money laundering probe. This was the Anti-Graft Commission began a probe into the alleged fraud involved in the botched Nigeria Air project. Top EFCC source privy to the interrogation, but we are not authorized to speak publicly. He confirmed that the EFCC interrogators grilled Mr. Sorika over the botched Nigeria Air project that has stirred controversy across the country. The interrogators are probing Mr. Sorika over the controversial Nigeria Air project that failed, though the commission is yet to uncover the total amount that was expended on the project. The investigation is ongoing and Sorika would be arraigned in court next week as charges are being prepared against him. Another source from EFCC also noted that the former Minister of Aviation is still with them. Sorika slept over the EFCC office at the Federal Capital Territory Command on Tuesday night, and he's still with the EFCC till Wednesday night as he's still being grilled by interrogators. Earlier, the EFCC uncovered how the Aviation Ministry under Mr. Sorika allegedly awarded several fraudulent contracts to two different companies, one of which belonged to his younger brother, Abubakar Sorika. My people, don't be small matter. The ex-minister of aviation was on Tuesday taken to the custody of EFCC at Wuse. When he arrived at EFCC command on Tuesday afternoon, he was immediately taken in for questioning by EFCC investigators over an alleged 8 billion aviation ministry contract fraud. With the way the interrogation is going, the aviation ministry contract fraud was not only carried out by Hadi Sorika. He connived with his younger brother Abubakar Sorika through the latter company. Also, a commission from EFCC also uncovered the laundry of another large sum of money through another company during Seraki's term as minister. In February, it was reported that the EFCC was investigating the activities of the aviation ministry under Sorika. The probe was centered on conspiracy, abuse of office, diversion of public funds, contract inflation, and money laundering to the tune of 8 billion naira. This sum is said to be for 4 aviation contracts from the former minister to a company known as Inglorious Nigeria Limited, owned by his younger brother Abubakar Sorika. Apart from being listed as the company's managing director and chief executive officer, Abubakar is said to be the sole signatory to the company's 2 accounts. It was further revealed that the ex-minister's younger brother had been arrested and detained by the commission in connection with 3 billion naira paid to his company, Inglorious Nigeria Limited bank account by the former minister. My people, these people want finished Nigeria money. Abubakar Sorika, who was arrested on Sunday, February 4th, was assisting the EFCC in the probe of the aviation ministry financial expenditure during Sorika's tenure. The EFCC investigators said that they were investigating an 8 billion money laundering case linked to the former aviation minister, Hadi Sorika. Hadi awarded contracts to his younger brother, Abubakar Sorika, knowing that the latter is a civil servant, a deputy director on level 16 in the Federal Ministry of Water Resources, where he has been working since 2008. The first of the contracts from the former minister to Inglorious Nigeria Limited was on August 18, 2022 for the construction of the terminal building in Katsina Airport at a cost of 1 billion naira. The second was awarded on November 3rd, 2022 for the establishment of the fire truck maintenance and refurbishment center in Katsina Airport, valued at 3 billion. The third contract was on February 3rd, 2023 for the procurement and installation of lifts, air condition, and a power generator's house in Aviation House, Abuja, at the cost of 6 billion, while the fourth was awarded on May 5th, 2023 for the procurement of Magnus aircraft and a simulator for the Nigeria College of Aviation Technology Zaria at a cost of 2 billion. Out of the total contract sum, the ex-minister paid out 3 billion to his younger brother, Engineers Nigeria Limited, who is upon receipt of the payment transfer it to different companies and individuals. There is no trace of work done on any of the contract items to date. Abubakar Sorika is currently in their custody at the headquarters, and he is providing them with more useful information on the financial activities of the aviation minister under the supervision of his older brother, Hinda Sorika. Meanwhile, Sorika had earlier claimed that less than 3 billion was expended on the Nigeria Air project. Speaking on ARR3ST news program in Abuja a few months ago, the ex-minister stated that, contrary to speculations, less than 3 billion budgetary allocation was made to Nigeria Air since the inspection of the project. So according to Sorika, reports suggesting that the sum of 85 billion has been spent on the Nigeria Air project are baseless and false, adding that the bulk of the expanded fund has been channeled into consultancies, salaries, and administrative costs associated with setting up the national carriers. This is becoming interesting. May they hold this man where the only man that fooled the whole country with fake airline matter. I don't know who is worse now between this man and Emefiele. They did Nigeria dirty. This is the best news I have heard this year. I pray Nigeria does not happen to this EFCC chairman, and they should allow him to work, because as it stands now, everyone that served in the previous administration should be probed, because they did Nigeria dirty. They mess up Nigeria. Everywhere you go is billion headquarters for looters in the world, not even million. They've migrated from million to billion. The most enjoyable thing is that they invited him and he honored the EFCC invitation. He gets some people for this country you dare not arrest unless you want to see unrest in the country. Fraud everywhere in Buhari's government. Hence, we are all suffering from that mess. Our country is finished. Thief leaders everywhere. Now that Nigeria have gotten a good leader in EFCC, not like the past one dancing on the music of government, more able to the new leader, if he doesn't change his mind later, because it's very hard to trust our leaders. Everybody in a billion or more. Serious corruption and looting took place under Buhari's nose. The moment his cabinet and advisor realized he was clueless. These people just want to finish Nigeria. All the ministers under Buhari, they were all corrupt. They should be probed because they did Nigeria's dirty. The most funny thing is that they have upgraded from embezzling millions to embezzling billions. They should go after them. They have finished this country. Look like no one is cleaning this government business of occupying public position. It is either public fund racketing or budget padding or misappropriation of fund. Now, wow. I hope this EFCC chairman will continue his good work with being politicized by the power. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment your awareness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.